Hey y'all. Hey, I wanted to kind of do like a what's in my fridge. Last night I went grocery shopping and I kind of stocked it up, so I'm gonna show you what I got, like what my diet's like and what my honey's diet's like. Total opposites. I thought I'd do this real quick when my son's taking his last nap, so gotta be quiet. So I got, this is mostly my honey stuff. Hot Mamas, actually these are mine. Well, both of ours, we like them. These are good. 0 calories. They're super spicy too. I like to cut them up and add tahini to them. So good. Just cheese, his sandwich stuff, his Gatorades, because I don't really drink Gatorades. Too much sugar in them. Gatorades, waters, more waters. He got a big pack of Monsters. What is it? A 10 pack. But I used to drink 2, maybe 3 of these a day. Not realizing, look at that. And all that sugar. Bad. But he drinks like 2 of these a day. And he's like 140 pounds. I don't know. He's special. I don't know, man. Anyways. So I got grapes, black grapes, watermelon. I don't know if you can see because it's broken. My light's broken, but I got watermelon. This is good too. These frescas, 0 calories. So good. They kind of taste like the squirt. These are good. I bought 80 calories, Light and Fit, Dannon. Really good. That's the blueberry, and I got also vanilla. I got blueberries, cottage cheese, non-fat. These are good too. We got some of these. These 7 grams of protein, 180 calories. Good snacks. I actually snacked on, we got 2 kinds. We got that one, and we got this one. I had one of these earlier. 180 calories. It doesn't say what the protein in this. I can't. Oh, 11 grams of protein. Right there. These are good. Good little snacks. And then I just got vegetables. I got in my freezer. I got a big, huge bag of cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. Just meats, shrimp. These I like to eat just with a little bit of lemon and hot sauce. My honey likes to snack on ice creams, like regular ice creams, but I love these. They're good. And these ones, they're 90 calories with 7 grams of protein, 6 grams of sugar. Not bad. So I'll have one of these like every 2 days or every other day. I try not to do too many of them, because then I'll eat the whole box. Another one. This one is movie night. This one is the shit. Man, my favorite. Also got frozen strawberries, frozen pineapple chunks, and frozen peaches, bananas, and strawberries for my smoothie. Also got a big bag of spinach, but I'm gonna go back and get another one because I run through spinach like crazy. Got waters because I drink a lot of water. And then like the rest of the stuff's in there. That's his stuff, his junk. Also got Diet Dr. Pepper because I love sodas. It was hard for me to cut out sodas, so, but I just switched over to diet. That's what's in my fridge. Let's look what's in my cupboards. I bought these yesterday. Have you ever tried these? They're pretty good. Baked pita chips. I mean, it's 130 calories for 11 chips, and I was looking. This is my honey's Doritos. For well, it's about the same. I can't open the bag. 150 calories for 12 chips. So I mean, I could just eat Doritos too, but make sure I stick to the serving size. And I do. Once in a while. Not every day. I also got these. I had one earlier. These are good. Super good. I was going to buy some Quest bars, but I just got those instead. Let me put this stuff back. Also granola, which I hardly really eat any of this. My honey loves this shit. So this is his. Oh, I bought Slim Fast too. Some strawberry. I still have chocolate and I have strawberry Slim Fast. Today I made me a strawberry Slim Fast with spinach, almond milk, and frozen strawberries. Yeah. So, yeah. That's what's in my fridge. And I'm actually going to start dinner right now. Today I made homemade... I'll show you. Homemade chile con queso. You know I'm Mexican because look, I saved these. You think it's yogurt, but it's not. Hold on, let me put you down. It came out super good. It was my first time ever making chile con queso. I've made cheese sauce before for macaroni and cheese, but I've never done the chile con queso. So I'm gonna make nachos tonight. And actually gonna start cooking the meat pretty soon because my honey gets home at 7. I always have his dinner like waiting for him. He's spoiled. It's always ready for him. I'm gonna use this meat. Yeah. So yeah, nachos for dinner, baby. So that's what's in my fridge. I like to keep a lot of fruits, vegetables. What I got? I got avocados in there too, and cucumber, and carrots, mushrooms, cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce, avocados. Just really, really healthy, good stuff. So that was just a little quick tour. So I hope y'all have a really awesome day and the rest of your evening. So I'm gonna get dinner started and I'll see y'all later. Bye.